Hello, my name is Cormac, and I want to thank you for signing up to the Dolly platform. Now, before we get started with Dolly, it's important that you have a basic understanding of the moving pieces of Dolly. Don't worry about learning everything at once. Things will become clear to you as you play with the platform. So whenever you sign up or whenever you log in, you'll be brought to your partner dashboard. So who can use this site? This is for use by you and your team only. You log into your partner dashboard to get an overview of your account and your business with us. This includes your orders, your current subscriptions, account details, and any payment details that might be there. This is all located at a subdomain of getdolly.com, partners.getdolly.com. So, next you simply just click on the login token and you're going to be brought into your Dolly WordPress installation. So, who can use your Dolly WordPress installation? Well, this is for use by your team and your clients. So, your team use this to build out the white labeled services and the customer dashboard that is going to be used by your customers. And it's also going to serve as the central hub for launching, hosting, and maintaining your clients' sites and their billing subscriptions and anything else you've added. And for your customers, your Dolly WordPress install is where they're going to go to manage all the services that you offer them. For example, the website they've hosted on your platform, their billing history and subscriptions, and anything else that you've built for them. So for example, say I'm an agency called Cormac. Then I would be hosted at the domain cormac.dolly.io. So your Dolly WordPress install deploys customer sites. So who can use these sites? You and your customers. So your customers use them to build and manage their sites. And you would use these sites to provide additional services or regular old WordPress development work for them. So for the example of a client who would be called Client 1, his site would be deployed under the domain client1-cormac-sites.dolly.io. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't want to be hosted under dolly.io. This is something that will be touched on later as you apply to go live with the Dolly platform. So what makes all of this possible is the cloud automation technology. This is something you'll get access to as you apply to go live with the Dolly platform. And it's really important because your Dolly install makes API requests to the underlying cloud automation technology, or CAT for short. The CAT builds the site, and then they pass the keys of this site back to your Dolly WordPress install, where you will manage your site from. And don't worry, you don't need to understand this flow or anything like that in order to be able to run a Dolly-powered service. I thought I would just explain it for you. So, what's next? It's time for you to start using Dolly and to go live with selling your services. In the next video, I will give you a brief overview on how to do just that.